Welcome to World of Kinyo. We're currently in Barcelona, staying in the hotel ME Barcelona. Come with us on a room tour so you can see what it's all about and what you can expect if you want to come here. Step into your sanctuary at the ME Barcelona, a luxurious retreat offering 164 rooms with 19 distinct room types. Today we're showcasing the Patio Room, a space where modern elegance meets unparalleled comfort. Every detail has been thoroughly thought through, designed and created a haven that feels both luxurious and welcoming. It's the little things that make a big difference. The ME Barcelona brings convenience to your fingertips with its digital room service system. Whether you like your room cleaned or prefer a do not disturb status, simply use the intuitive digital interface to make your request. You'll find an ironing board, which is ready to use, perfect for freshening up your outfit. Valuables can be securely stored in the in-room safe, spacious enough to fit a 16-inch laptop. And when it's time to unwind, slip into the cozy plush robes provided for your comfort. Your patio room is equipped with everything you need for a seamless stay. Sink into the comfort of a king-size bed, stay entertained with a flat-screen TV, and enjoy high-speed Wi-Fi to keep you connected. The plug sockets provided in the room are the European style with 2 rounded pins. The room also features a minibar stocked with refreshments, including alcoholic and soft drinks, available at a supplementary charge. Whether you're craving a cool drink after a long day of sightseeing or a nightcap before bed, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Finally, step into the bathroom, a masterpiece of design that blends sleek designs with a touch of sophistication. Soft lighting, plush robes and high-quality amenities, including shampoo, body cream, lotions and shower gel, are provided to add a touch of fulfillment to your daily routine. The open plan layout features a spacious shower with premium fixtures, offering a refreshing escape after a day of exploring the city. Whether you're here for business or leisure, the Patio Room at the ME Barcelona is more than just a place to sleep. It's your personal retreat. If you've enjoyed this video, press that like button, leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Many more adventures.